Wenzhou Haijun Sanitary Hardware Company Limited, established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of brass faucet. We are located in Wenzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including numerical control machine, polishing machine, and PVD vacuum coating machine. All of our faucets are made from lead-free brass. The surface finish is made by PVD vacuum coating technology and can pass 72 hours neutral salt fog corrosion resistance testing. We have obtained cUPC, NSF, Watersense, AB1953, CEC, Watermark, WELS, and CE certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Canada, Australia, and Europe. 85% of our faucets are exported to North American. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Even we can help you find what you want. Besides, we have special personnel for new development and inspection. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.